I saw a whale jumping like this. At Bejuco beach, we were just lazing on the beach in the afternoon, waiting for the sun to set. And suddenly Indranil asked me, he pointed in the direction of the ocean and asked me, "Did you see that?" So I looked in that direction and I saw a whale jumping like this. It was such an amazing sight. We saw that for a few seconds, for a few minutes, and then we were just thinking if we would be able to get some shots of the whale. And Indranil then had this crazy idea of why not fly the drone there.
In the next few minutes, the whale put up a spectacular show, snorting, dashing the flippers on the water, and the classic whale dive with the tail in the air. The show continued with dashing the flippers on both sides. And then, just on one side, and the show ended with one last dive.
In Costa Rica, you can expect to see wildlife in the most unexpected places.
We were thinking about what just happened while watching the sunset at the beach.
If you enjoyed watching this video, please like, comment and share. And remember to subscribe to our channel Paradise Catchers. Thank you.